Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA 2K on your Nintendo Switch. First, make sure your console is charged or docked. Then, either insert the game cartridge or download the digital version from the eShop. Once installed, connect your Joy-Cons or a Pro controller. Launch the game from your home screen, and you'll be ready to hit the virtual court. It's a straightforward process to get started and enjoy the basketball action. Mastering the basic controls is key to enjoying NBA 2K. Use the left joystick to move your player around the court and the right joystick for shooting and dribbling moves. Press the B button to pass the ball to a teammate and the button for shooting or attempting a dunk. For defense, hold ZL to guard and ZR for turbo. Practice these fundamental actions to build your confidence. NBA 2K offers a variety of exciting game modes to explore. You can create your own player and embark on a journey to NBA stardom in my career. If you prefer competitive play, challenge friends in local or online multiplayer matches. For honing your skills, the 2KU training mode provides excellent tutorials and practice drills. There are many ways to experience the game, offering hours of entertainment. To truly excel in NBA 2K, consider these advanced tips. Practice complex dribbling combinations and effective post-up moves to score more easily. On defense, learn to anticipate passes for steals and time your jumps for blocks. Don't forget to customize your player's attributes and equip badges that complement your playstyle. With dedication, you'll soon be dominating the competition and leading your team to victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.